Okay, children. So which para, which page number?
Page number 12.
Number 12.
Page number 12
From
and
last third
paragraph?
para.
Paragraph? Which one, beta?
Third.
Third
Third.
para. Okay, listen everybody. Page number 12 and third para. Now what happens? She returns the woman, in the beginning she does not recognize the author, but later on when she recognizes her, she refuses to talk to her. And while returning, she picturized everything. She recalls the past. How did she notice the narrator? She noticed so many things missing when she was at home. And one day when she got late up, okay, mother was there, somebody to see the person out. She was there at the gate, okay, to see somebody out. So mother, she introduces the daughter to Mrs. Darling. And that time, when the narrator, she asked her that, does she live far away? Why? Because she was having a big suitcase, okay? And it was quite difficult for her to drag it, to carry it. At that time, when she inquired, does Mrs. Darling, she lives far away? The mother ne kaha tha, she lives in Marconi Street, number 46. Remember that. Next para.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should we continue, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I had remembered it, but I had waited a long time to go there. What did she remember? What did she did not forget? I had
The
remembered
address
it.
of the lady.
Yes, beta. What?
And the address of the lady.
Very good, Nakul. The address of the woman. But I had waited a long time to go there. Initially, after the liberation, I was absolutely not interested in all that stored stuff, and naturally, I was also rather afraid of it. Afraid of being confronted with things that had belonged to a connection that no longer existed, which were hidden away in cupboards and boxes and awaiting in vain until they were put back in their place again, which had endured all those years because they were things. But gradually everything became more normal again. Bread was getting to be of lighter color. There was a bed you could sleep in unthreatened, a room. Yes, a room with a view. You were more used to glance at each day, and one day I noticed I was curious about all the possessions that must still be there at that address. I wanted to see them, touch them, and remember. Now she remembered the address very well, okay? But she says that it took a very long time for her to visit that place, to visit Mrs. Darling's. After the liberation, means after the freedom, she was not at all interested in getting back all the stored stuff, all the antiques. Got it? And on the other hand, she was afraid of bringing back all the antiques. Why? Because she was scared of getting confronted with the past memories. Confronted होता है आमना सामना, है ना? तो वो सामना नहीं करना चाहती थी किसी भी ऐसी चीजों का that reminded her of the past memories, और उन connection, उन relations की remind करते थे that no longer existed. Why? Because she had her mother, okay, as her own family member. The only family member with her was a mother. She did not have her father. So mother, she died during the war. वो नहीं चाहती थी that she should bring all the stored stuff. Why? Otherwise she would be reminded of all the past memories and all the relations, okay, and the time she had spent with her mother, and that would be very painful. Now, so she wanted that all these relations, connections with the past, they should be better if they are hidden in the boxes and in the cupboards, है ना? क्यों boxes और cupboards, उसको क्या लगा था सारे antiques boxes या cupboards में Mrs. Darling might have kept और बढ़िया उसी में रखे रहें, क्योंकि वो बाहर निकलते ही पुरानी यादें ताजा हो जाएंगी और वो दर्द उसके अंदर आ जाएगा, वो पेन ऑफ लूजिंग द मदर. It seemed that those memories, ऐसा लग रहा था वो memories भी wait कर रही हैं, that they should be put back to the right places. क्यों? Because maybe those things also suffered all the years, to be back on the original places. Now see, everything was becoming very normal. Okay. And everything after the liberation, everything after the freedom, once the war was over, after some time, everything, it was becoming a very normal, a routine life, it was taking place. But suddenly one day, she just got very much curious, very much eager to get back all the things, all the antiques that belonged to her, that belonged to her mother, and she remembered the address also that was still there. Now, an eagerness, it arose in her, and she wanted to take back all the antiques. She wanted to see them. She wanted to touch them. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now she says, after my first visit in vain means hopelessness, uselessness, to Mrs. Joling's house, I decided to try a second time. Her first visit, it was of no use. Why? Mrs. Joling, first she failed to recognize her, and when she recognized, then she says that she does not have any time to talk to her and asks her to come some other time. तो बेकार ही था उसका जाना, तो उसने डिसाइड करा कि second time she is going to visit Mrs. Joling. Now a girl of about 15 opened the door to me. When she goes to Mrs. Joling's house, Mrs. Joling did not open the door. A girl of 15 years, she welcomed the narrator. I asked her if her mother was at home. Narrator asked if her mother, she was at home or not. She refused, and she says, my mother doing an errand, no matter. I said, I'll wait for her. And she said that my mother, she's gone outside doing some work. Okay, to do some work, she has gone outside, and the author says, okay, fine, then she would wait for her mother to return. Now see, ध्यान से देखना अब, है ना? I followed the girl along the passage. Now she enters the house. An old-fashioned iron Hanuk candle holder reconnected with her. The connection, it got interrupted in between. Okay. Now she goes to the house, and there she could not find Mrs. Joling. Her daughter was there, and she enters the house. As soon as she enters the house, she sees an old-fashioned iron Hanuk candle holder. एक बड़ा सा candle holder. It was hanging next to the mirror. अब वो एकदम क्यों देखते हैं? क्योंकि हनुक कैंडल होल्डर भी उन्हीं का था. हनुक होता है जो फीस्ट ऑफ लाइट्स होते हैं, है ना? हिब्रू फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट होता है दिसंबर में, ठीक है? तो उसमें वो कैंडल्स वगैरह लगा के लाइट अप करी जाती है. तो शी सीज देयर, वी नेवर यूज्ड इट. अब उसको ध्यान आया ये कैंडल होल्डर जो था हम यूज नहीं करते थे, बिकॉज इट वाज मच मोर कम्बर्सम देन अ सिंगल कैंडल स्टिक, है ना? कम्बर्सम मतलब इट कुडंट बी मैनेज, अनमैनेजेबल था, है ना? सिंगल कैंडल स्टिक उस पर जल नहीं सकती थी. Won't you sit down? asked the girl. She held open the door of the living room, and I went inside past her. I stopped horrified. Now listen carefully. Ab girl कहती है, won't you sit down? And she opened the door, and I just went inside the room. I stopped, and as she enters the room, narrator कहती है, I stopped, horrified I was. Okay, I was in a room I knew and did not know. Underline it. Underline it. कहती है मैं उस कमरे में थी जिसे मैं जानती भी थी और नहीं भी जानती. कैसे जानती थी और कैसे नहीं जानती थी? She knew the room. Why she knew the room? क्योंकि when she entered the room, she saw the things lying in the room, everything lying in the room belonged to her, belonged to her mother. समझ में आया? तो वो देख के लगा यार ये रूम तो बहुत जाना पहचाना सा है, बट जो रूम था दैट वाज एट अ डिफरेंट प्लेस, उसकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस अलग थी, इन अ डिफरेंट हाउस द रूम वाज, इसलिए थोड़ा सा वो अजीब भी था। इसलिए वो कहती है उस कमरे को मैं नहीं जानती थी, लेकिन जानती कैसे थी? बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इन द रूम इट बिलोंग टू हर। अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I found myself in the midst. Midst means middle of the things I did want to see again, and she saw that she was standing there in the middle of the room, and all around were the things that she wanted to see. She wanted to get back, she wanted to touch, but which oppressed me in the strange atmosphere. Now, those things they were oppressing her in that strange atmosphere, the atmosphere of the room. It was very strange. Yeah, because of the tasteless way everything was arranged. Got it? Now, see, she earlier had an attraction. She developed an attraction for these things. But when she was there in the room, those things were losing a kind of attraction to her. Maybe they were kept in the strange room, or maybe the manner in which they were kept. Tasteless manner means in a very untidy manner, the things were lying here and there. Okay, so इस वजह से she was losing all the attraction, or because of the ugly furniture or the muggy smell that hung there. Muggy smell समझते हैं ना, humid smell जो होती है. What is humid smell? During rainy season now we get humid smell in the cupboards or the rooms that are closed. सीलन की जो स्मेल होती है. ओके, तो कहते हैं शायद इसलिए, है ना, those things were oppressing because furniture ugly था या बड़ी humid smell थी उस रूम में. I don't know, but I scarcely dared to look around. Okay, but she least look around it. The girl moved a chair. The girl, she offered a chair. I sat down and stared at the woolen tablecloth. Now see, since she had entered the house, जब से उसने देखा कि entrance पर भी everything belonged to her, और कहती जैसे ही I sat there, जो मेरी नजर पड़ी, the table was there opposite to her, तो देखती table cloth, it belonged to them only. One minute, beta. It's gone. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Then she sees that the tablecloth, it belonged to her. I rubbed it. My fingers grew warm from rubbing. I followed the lines of the pattern. Somewhere on the edge there should be a burn mark that had never been repaired. My mother will be back soon, said the girl. I have already made tea for you. Will you have a cup? And thank you, she says. Now, when she was offered the chair, she sat there, and in front of her, she saw a table was there. It was placed, and on it, the table cover was there. Okay, and she recognized the woolen table cover को वो अच्छे से recognize कर गई. उसने अपने fingers उस पर rub करे, felt very warm. The pattern was made on it, and she started following the lines of the pattern. जो design बना हुआ था ना, उसकी lines को follow करने लगी. क्यों? Because she remembered कि the tablecloth, that had a burn mark, and that burn mark was never, it was not or it was never repaired. उसको ध्यान आया कि उसमें burn mark है, वो tablecloth जला हुआ था, और वो burn mark जो है ना, वो repair नहीं हुआ. Divya, you might be having the problem. My voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
better change the position where you are sitting. You change the position and move on to somewhere else, so that your mobile or your laptop, it might catch the connection. कहीं move हो जाइए, connection interrupt हो रहा है आपका. So बेटा वो देखती है कि उस पे burn mark जरूर होना चाहिए. फिर girl आती है, वो कहती है कि भाई mother जो है, she would be back soon, और उसको पूछती है if she would like to have a cup of tea. Okay, and she says okay, thank you. I looked up. The girl put cups ready on the tea table. Now see, she looked up. The girl was putting the cups on the tea table. She had a broad back, uska bhi broad back tha, just like her mother. She poured tea from a white pot. All it had was a gold border on the lid. I remembered. She opened a box and took some spoons out. अब क्या करती है, उसने कुछ टी पोर करी, ओके, व्हाइट पॉट से. अब जो जो वो उठा रही थी ना, उसने टी पॉट उठाया, कप्स उठाया, तो नरेटर शी रिमेम्बर्स कि उस पर एक गोल्ड बॉर्डर बना था लिड पर. ओके, पॉट की लिड, लिड इज द कवरिंग, ढक्कन पर. इसका मतलब इवन दैट बिलोंग टू हर. आई रिमेम्बर्ड, उसको ध्यान आया. एंड देन शी ओपनड अ बॉक्स एंड टुक सम स्पून्स आउट. ओके, एंड शी ओपन द बॉक्स. डॉटर ने बॉक्स ओपन करा, कुछ स्पून्स बाहर निकाली. That is a nice box. I heard my own voice. It was a strange voice, as though each sound was different in this. अब मेरे मुंह से निकल गया नाइस बॉक्स. अब मेरी ये आवाज मुझे स्ट्रेंज लगी, क्योंकि वो बॉक्स भी उन्हीं का था, उसके अंदर कटलरी भी उन्हीं की थी. ठीक है, तो बड़ा अजीब सा लगा कि मैं खुद की अपनी चीजों की खुद ही को मतलब प्रेस कर रही हूँ, तारीफ कर रही हूँ, और ऐसा लगा कि एवरी साउंड इन दिस रूम इट वाज डिफरेंट. Oh, you know about them. She had turned round and brought me my tea. She laughed. My mother says it is antique. We have got lots more. She pointed round the room. See for yourself. तो वो कहती है, अच्छा आप जानते हो. और फिर sorry beta, and then she says, you know, my mother, she says we have got lots and lots of antiques and you can see by yourself. And she points all around the room, है ना, रूम के चारों तरफ पॉइंट करती है, कहती है, माँ कहती है हमारे पास बहुत सारे एंटीक्स हैं. वो सारे एंटीक्स किसके थे बेटा?
narrator के.
narrator के.
है ना. अब ये दो बच्चे जाग रहे हैं. एवरीबडी हैज गॉन टू स्लीप और व्हाट? I had no need to follow her hand. I knew which things she meant. Okay, बोले मुझे कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Narrator says to follow her hand where she is pointing. Why? Because I knew very well कि what does she means and towards which things she was pointing. I just looked at the still life over the tea table. As a child, I had always fancied the apple on the pewter plates. Okay, and I was looking at the still life over the table जो रखे हुए थे, है ना. और कहते हैं जब मैं छोटी बच्ची थी, नरेटर सेज I always loved to eat apples on these pewter plates. We use it for everything, she said. Once we even ate of the plates hanging there on the wall. I wanted to so much, but it wasn't anything special. अब वो daughter कहती है, you know, we use these plates for everything. Once we even took off the plates that were hanging and we ate, okay, of the plates, मतलब plates को नहीं खाया. We ate on those plates, okay. हमने उस प्लेट पर रखकर खाया हमने. And I just wanted to eat, okay, in those plates, but you know, I found that nothing special you can have it, okay, it's just the similar taste. अब ये सब बातें हो रही थी, तो meanwhile narrator कहती है I had found the burn mark on the tablecloth, है ना. Okay, she was rubbing her hands, she was moving her fingers, है ना. She was following the lines of the pattern to find the burn mark. कहती है while all these talks were going on, है ना, I found the burn mark means she became sure that the tablecloth also belonged to her. The girl looked questioningly at me. ठीक है, और गर्ल जो थी मेरे को बड़े, है ना, क्वेश्चनिंगली, मतलब बहुत एक जैसे as if she is going to put forward a question to me, she looked at me. Got it? समझ में आया?
Yes.
अब उसको ध्यान आया कि
Yes,
when
ma'am.
she was small,
Yes, ma'am.
she loved to eat on the pewter plate. इतने में वो जो गर्ल होती है, डॉलिंग की डॉटर, वो कहती है कि we use the plate for eating so many things, okay, and even those plates that were hanging on the wall, you know, they had something to eat in these plates also. ठीक है, लेकिन उसको लगता है कुछ इजी नहीं होता. मीनवाइल उसको नरेटर को वो बर्न मार्क मिल जाता है. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine, beta. Now we'll stop here. Okay, you better revise.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And everybody
Thank
take
you,
care. Don't move out too much during COVID. Got it? Stay home and be safe.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody take care of yourself as well as your family members, especially the elders who are there in your family. Take care of them. Okay? Fine, beta.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you all, children. God bless.